an era where seamless connectivity is paramount, CARABC brings forth an innovative solution to elevate your driving experience. The CARABC wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration is tailored for Peugeot and Citroen vehicles, equipped with SMEG MRN NAC systems promising a smart and connected journey on the road. Experience the freedom of wireless connectivity with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more tangled cables. Enjoy a clutter-free and convenient connection. Peugeot and Citroen compatibility, specifically designed for Peugeot and Citroen models, including 208, 308, 508, 3008, C4, DS3, DS5, and more. Seamless integration with SMEG and MRN NAC systems for a harmonious driving experience. Enhanced infotainment. Access your favorite apps, music, and navigation directly from your car's infotainment system. Stay entertained and informed effortlessly during your commute. Support for reverse camera. Enhance your safety with support for a reverse camera. Effortlessly maneuver your vehicle with clear visibility of the surroundings. Intuitive controls. Navigate through features with ease using intuitive controls. Access calls, messages, and navigation without taking your eyes off the road. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process with the plug-and-play design. No need for complex modifications or professional assistance. Smartphone integration. Mirror your smartphone's interface directly onto the car's display. Enjoy a familiar and user-friendly interface for a seamless transition. Keep your focus on the road while enjoying hands-free connectivity. The reverse camera support enhances safety during parking and reversing. Convenience redefined. No more fumbling with cables. Experience the convenience of wireless connectivity. Effortlessly manage calls, messages, and entertainment without distraction. Transform your car into a smart and connected space. Stay up to date with the latest technology and automotive connectivity. The CARABC wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration for Peugeot and Citroen vehicles redefine the way we experience driving. With wireless connectivity, reverse camera support, and seamless integration, your journey becomes safer, more convenient, and highly enjoyable. Upgrade your car's infotainment system with CARABC and embark on a connected and modern driving adventure.